Good morning, children. Myself, Uzba Siddiqui, and I am going to teach you GK, General Knowledge. It is for class 1. Topic is Proud of India. So, my dear children, before going to topic, I am requesting to you all, please subscribe our channel, click bell icon on your mobile for getting all channels notifications. So let's move to our topic, that is Proud of India. Good morning, children. Now we come on our topic, that is Proud of India. Children, first question arises, for what we must proud of our India? So here, children, India is a large democratic country where we have a large historical background in which we have a fabulous monument of various empire of kings. So my dear children, let's go to study about fabulous monument of India which feel us proud. Taj Mahal. I think you hear the name of Taj Mahal, and more of you, I think, visit Taj Mahal. Where it is? Yes, it is situated in Agra, near Yamuna River. So, my dear children, Taj Mahal is a wide mausoleum built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the year 1653, and it is located in Agra near Yamuna River. Taj Mahal is built in loving memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Here is the picture of Mumtaz Mahal, and here is the picture of Shah Jahan. It is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. Do you know it? It is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. So children, Taj Mahal is a white mausoleum built by Mughal Emperor. It is built by white marble, only white marble, and it is a mausoleum where the grave of Shah Jahan and Mumtaz in it. The next is Victoria Memorial. Victoria Memorial is a large marble building in Kolkata, West Bengal. It is dedicated to Queen Victoria, the Empress of India. So, Victoria, where is Victoria Memorial? Victoria Memorial is a large marble building. Where it is? In Kolkata, West Bengal. Now it is a museum and tourist destination. Here it is a Victoria Memorial. Now the next monument is Char Minar. Char Minar. Char Minar is a combination of 2 words. Char Minar means 4 minarets. 4 minarets. Here is the 4 minaret, 1 minaret, 2 minaret, 3 and one of the back, 4 minarets. It is the famous building of Hyderabad, one of the famous building of Hyderabad, and it was built by Quli Qutb Shahi to celebrate the end of deadly plague. Now next, Golden Temple. It is a worship place of Indian Sikh. It is located in Amritsar, Punjab. Here is the picture of Golden Temple. See, Golden Temple is totally gold because its tomb is made up of pure gold. And it is also referred to be a Harminder Sahib. So Golden Temple is one of the oldest worship place of Indian Sikh. It is situated in Amritsar, Punjab. Now the next is the Gateway of India. This is the picture of Gateway. The Gateway of India is one of the most important landmark of India. It was built in 1924. Where it is situated? It is situated in the city of Mumbai in Maharashtra. So my dear children, the Gateway of India is an attraction of the tourists also. It was built to commemorate the visit of King George V and Queen Mary. So these historical places feel India proud. After complete the chapter, we will go for activity where I will ask you question and you have to give me an answer. Where you have a problem, I will solve it. Let's to move our activity. Athar,
Yes, ma'am.
you understand the chapter Proud of India?
Yes.
Okay. Now you tell me the answer of my question. Okay. Tell me the two monuments of India which feel us proud.
Taj Mahal, Taj Minar.
Very good. Taj Mahal is situated in Agra and Charminar is situated in
Hyderabad.
very good Hyderabad. Here I have given the activity find the name of monuments in the word box using the number clues. Here the clues are given. So the first clue is 1. Here you guess which monument name is written here, right? Now you read the alphabet one by one, then you guess the word, right?
V I C T O R I A M E M O R I A L. Victoria Memorial.
Very good. Now you make the box from here. Now second clue, number 2. Read these alphabets.
A T A J M A H A L. Mahal. Taj Mahal.
Very good. Taj Mahal is situated in
Agra.
very good. Now make the block. Taj Mahal. Very good. Number 3 clue. Read. Read from
G.
M. M
M
L.
L G O L D E N T E M P L E E.
E. What is the name of this monument?
Golden Temple.
Okay. Till E. Yes. Number 4. X, Y.
X Y H F D R S C H A R M I N A R.
CHAR. What it is?
Char
Minar.
Minar.
Very good. Now make it box. Char Minar. Okay, number 5. Number 5.
GATEWAY.
GATE first. You what it word?
GATE. Gate.
WAY. Way.
OF of INDIA. India.
Huh.
Gateway of India.
Very good. Gateway of India situated. Where it is situated? It's situated in Mumbai,
Mumbai.
in Maharashtra. Okay. कहाँ जा? Where you are? Just improve your this line. Okay. So now it is completed. So in chapter you have learned 4 monuments, about 4 historical places. Number 1, Taj Mahal. Number 2, Charminar. Number 3, Gateway of India. Number 4, Golden Temple. Okay, tomorrow what I will listen? Tomorrow I will listen this chapter. This chapter, Proud of India. All the question answer exercises you complete it. Okay?
Yes.
Okay.